In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a WebEx meeting. Whether you're setting up a quick catch-up with colleagues or organizing a more formal presentation, WebEx provides a robust platform for your virtual gatherings. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your meeting up and running. First, you'll want to access the meeting section within the WebEx User Hub. If you're not already familiar with this, the User Hub is essentially your control center for managing meetings and other WebEx features. Once you're in the meeting section, look for the button that says Schedule a Meeting. It's typically positioned prominently, making it easy to find. After you click on Schedule a Meeting, you'll be prompted to enter your meeting details. This is where you'll input essential information such as the meeting title, date, and time. You can also include a brief agenda or description to give participants an idea of what to expect. This is especially helpful for keeping everyone aligned and focused on the meeting objectives. Now, you'll have the option to add participants. This can be done by entering their email addresses directly into the designated field. However, it's important to note that if you're using a free trial account, you won't be able to send out email invitations directly through WebEx. But don't worry, you can simply copy the meeting link and share it with your participants via email, chat, or any other communication tool you prefer. This flexibility ensures that everyone can join the meeting without any hassle. Once you've entered all the necessary information and added participants, you'll be ready to move on to the final step. Click on the Schedule button to officially set up your meeting. This action will confirm all the details you've entered and generate a unique meeting link. Be sure to save this link or share it with your participants as needed. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a WebEx meeting. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently organize your virtual gatherings, ensuring smooth and effective communication with your team, clients, or anyone else you need to connect with. Remember, the key to a successful meeting is preparation. So take a moment to review the details, ensure you have a reliable internet connection, and test your audio and video equipment ahead of time. These small steps can make a big difference in the overall experience for you and your participants. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.